If you found yourself overwhelmed with renaming a bunch of data merge files, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll guide you through an efficient method to tackle this by using a special hack I've developed. If you've seen my previous tutorials on digital word stickers and customizing wall art, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, feel free to check them out later. I just want to take a moment to shout out the subscriber who inspired today's video with this awesome question. Your feedback really helps to drive this channel, so if you have any more questions or topics in mind, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. In those past videos, I briefly touched on how I was renaming the files with the corresponding word or name, making each file specific and easier to find. While my previous Google Sheet file renamer method did the trick, I'll admit it was more of a hacked together, make it work kind of situation. I've since discovered a more streamlined and efficient way, and to save you from countless hours of trial and error, I'm going to be walking you through this new improved setup instead. First up, we're going to open the data merge Google Sheet that you used to create your files in the first place. I just called the first page data merge for simplicity, and that way I can use it for multiple data merges. Let's start by adding a second sheet, and you guessed it, rename it. This one I'm just going to rename to my file renamer. I like to keep it simple. You're only going to need 3 columns in this spreadsheet. One is for the current file name, the new file name, and the last one is the renaming command. So let's break down how to create each of these columns. This one's pretty straightforward. You're going to open File Explorer, select all by Control A, and then you're going to right click and select Copy File Path. Head on over to your Google Sheet and paste this into the first column. Now we do want to trim off the path and just keep the file name. So here's the trick to do that. You're going to select just in front of the file name and Shift Home Copy, which is Control C, and then you're going to do Control H, which is the find and replace. You're going to paste what you copied with Control V in the find field, and then make sure that the replace field is empty. Then you're going to go ahead and click on replace all. Now you've just got the file name and its extension, whether that is .png or .pdf. Next up, we're going to reference the data from our main sheet. So you're going to type in the equal sign, then you're going to navigate to that first sheet, click on the first data cell and press enter. Once you've got that data, you're going to then append this formula, and you're going to simply edit the cell to add ampersand plus quotation mark .png, quotation mark to close at the end, and this adds the .png extension, or if you're using PDF, change that to .pdf. And now for the magic formula for file renaming. This is so much more streamlined than my previous method, and it's cleaner and more efficient. In the third column, you're going to type in equals, quotation mark, REN, that stands for rename. Then you're going to hit space, quotation, ampersand, A2, ampersand, close quotations. Then you're going to add another space, another quotation, and B2, ampersand, and close quotation and close quotation. This command is what will rename your files. It is a serious game changer. Once your spreadsheet is all set, copy the commands from the third column, including an extra cell below. Open File Explorer and navigate to where your files are. Click in the address bar, type in CMD and then enter. You'll get a new window here, and I'm going to get you to paste in your commands. So Control V, and all your files should now be renamed based on the data sheet from your Google Sheet. As a bonus for making it this far into the video, I've put this Google Sheet template on my website and I'm offering it for free. You can go and download it there. The link will be in the description. I hope this tool and method saves you a heap of time and effort when you're making your data merge images. If you find my videos helpful, feel free to share them with others, and if you have any more questions you'd like me to tackle, drop them in the comments section below.